This is a fun variation on the basic green stuff recipe, also called green gunk. Your basic recipe is pineapple, pistachio pudding, and whipped topping. But this recipe adds a little more fun for kids with mini marshmallows, maraschino cherries, and you can also add nuts if that's allergy friendly for them, and green food coloring if you'd like it to be a little bit greener. You can of course add more or less of each of the ingredients depending on your taste, and be sure to chill it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours before serving it. Enjoy!